My name is Troy Baker, and I'm a rework technician. A rework technician is a person that is trained to repair circuit boards and other assemblies here in the company. My job consists of working with a test technician who diagnoses the deficiencies on a board, broken components, burned out components and that, and my job is to remove them and replace them. We will create some assemblies and they'll go to functional test, and if they fail functional test, then they'll go to debug. The test technician will diagnose it and then return it to me, and then I will do the repairs that he requests, and then I will return it to test.
I am Landon Majerus, and I am a test technician here at Riverside Integrated Solutions. So a test technician fixes test equipment that is not working and debugs boards that aren't properly working and fix returns that come in. We have people that put boards into fixtures or into harnesses that will tell the person to either follow instructions on flip switches, push buttons, or it'll actually just do it by itself and it'll give it a pass or fail.
My name's Jesse Rogers. I'm a test engineer with Riverside Integrated Solutions. We'll develop a custom test fixture for a board, and then we'll design software that stimulates the board and reads the values and make sure the board is operating within parameters. As a test engineer, I work pretty closely with our test technicians to find solutions to support our customers' products.
My name is Carol Bork, and I am a test operator. On a daily basis, I get to do final assembly, I get to test components, units. Depending on the day, I have a variety of things I am able to do.
The thing I like the most is the people that work here and seeing them every day. We are kind of a small family here, and we like to have a lot of fun, but also like to work hard and get our stuff done the best we can.
You can come here with zero skills and they will teach you everything you need to know and help you right along the way. You'll more than likely be teamed with a mentor, and you can work your way up little by little at your own pace. It's a pretty easy company to work for. Don't wait, jump in, feet first, do it.